Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous class we discussed elimination method. In this class we are going to discuss cross multiplication method, which is the third method of algebraic methods of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 be a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. To solve the above pair of linear equations using cross multiplication method, we have an algorithm. Step 1. Draw a diagram as follows. B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2, X, Y, 1. Then step 2. Write equations as follows. X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to Y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Step 3. If A1 B2 minus A2 B1 is not equal to 0, then find x and y as follows. X is equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1, and y is equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So for cross multiplication method, we need to follow algorithm stepwise. We need to follow like this. Exercise 3.5. Which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So first sum, x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. So the given pair of linear equations is x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is first linear equation. And 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the second linear equation in two variables. So here a1 by a2 is equal to, a1 means coefficient of x in first linear equation, that is 1, by a2 coefficient of x in second linear equation, that is 3. b1 by b2 is equal to b1 coefficient of y in first linear equation, that is minus 3, by b2 coefficient of x in second linear equation, that is minus 9, which is nothing but minus by minus plus 3 by 9, nothing but 1 by 3. Then C1 by C2 is equal to, C1 is the constant term of first linear equation, that is minus 3, by C2, constant term of second linear equation, that is minus 2. Minus by minus plus 3 by 2. So clearly A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 1 by 3, B1 by B2 1 by 3, C1 by C2 is 3 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Hence, the given pair of linear equations has no solution. The given pair of linear equations has no, that means they are parallel lines. Second sum, 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So first linear equation is 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 8, which is nothing but 5 by 8. So A1 by A2 is 2 by 3, B1 by B2 is 1 by 2, C1 by C2 is 5 by 8. So clearly A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Hence, the given pair of linear equations has a unique solution. So they have a unique solution. We need to find the unique solution by cross multiplication method now. What is the procedure of cross multiplication method? What is the first step? In cross multiplication method, step 1, B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2. Here X, here Y, here 1. So B1, 1, B2, 2, C1, minus 5, C2, minus 8, A1, 2, A2, 3. Again B1, B2, 1, 2. Here X, Y, 1. Now step 2. Step 2, X by 1 into minus 8. Minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5. That is equal to y by minus 5 into 3. Minus 5 into 3 minus 2 into minus 8. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 into 1, 3. So x by minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 minus 10, that is equal to y by minus 15 minus 2 into minus 8 minus 16, that is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3, 1. So x by minus 8 minus of minus plus 10 is equal to y by minus 15 minus of minus plus 16 is equal to 1 by 1. So x by minus 8 plus 10, 2 is equal to y by minus 15 plus 16, 1 is equal to 1 by 1. So equate these two. X by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. That implies x is equal to 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. Now equate these two. Y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. That implies y is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the required solution. Third sum, the first linear equation is 3x minus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0, and second linear equation 6x minus 10y minus 40 is equal to 0. Then a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10, that is equal to 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 20 by minus 40, which is equal to 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is also 1 by 2. So clearly a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Hence, the given pair of linear equations in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Fourth sum, x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 is the first linear equation, and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0 is the second linear equation. Then a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 3, that is 1, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 7 by minus 15, that is 7 by 15. So clearly a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Hence, the given pair of linear equations has a unique solution. So in this case, we need to find the solution using cross multiplication method. What is the first step in cross multiplication method? b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2, x, y, 1. b1 minus 3, b2 minus 3, c1 minus 7, c2 minus 15, a1 1, a2 3, minus 3 minus 3, x, y, 1. So step 2, x by minus 3 into minus 15 minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to y by minus 7 into 3 minus 15 into 1 is equal to 1 by 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3. So x by minus 3 into minus 15, minus of minus plus 45 minus 3 into minus 7 plus 21 is equal to y by minus 7 into 3 minus 21 minus 15 into 1 minus 15 is equal to 1 by 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So x by 45 minus of plus minus 21 is equal to y by minus 21 minus of minus plus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus of minus plus 9. So x by 24 is equal to y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Now equate these two. X by 24 is equal to 1 by 6. That implies x is equal to 24 by 6, that is 4. Now equate these two. Y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. That implies y is equal to minus 6 by 6, that is minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1 is the required solution.